Hello, guess what? Why is my name Cole? Also, let me change it. Okay. So like, can like,
Wait, what happens if you pull this? What happens if you pull this?
IDK.
What happens if you pull this?
Oh, don't do it. It'll make you unfriend someone. Oh.
Should we?
So can Lime come up and show his talent first?
Who?
Lime. You. You.
Huh?
You can compete first. You can show off your talent.
Okay. So I'm at Monkey's Got Talent, and I can I don't want to go first. I want to think about my talent. I'm going to do.
Okay, so he wants to come up first.
I can be last.
Okay.
Yeah, how did they get that long arm?
Okay, I guess so wait, do you want to come up first? Okay. Okay.
No,
Okay. So what's your talent?
Oh shoot!
I mean,
Oh, that's a great talent. You can talk sign language. 9 out of 10. So, chill. Okay, so have you think about your talent yet?
I'm last, so you guys know.
I think. Well, yeah, I have my talent.
Okay. Okay, come up.
It might be a little bad, but I'm gonna try.
By the way, no copying
Okay.
others because no copying like Elliot. Just saying.
Alright. So, my talent is branching, but it might be a little bad, so.
Okay, let's see.
Follow me. Okay, pick any tree that's not hard to branch on, and I'll do it on.
I say that tree.
That one. Oh shoot. This one?
Yeah, that one.
Alright. Oh shoot. I'm bad at branching because I just started. Oh.
My
My
talent.
phone.
Can I say my talent?
Yeah, after limes.
I just fell.
Yo, guys, we are just 3 now.
Yeah.
The last one just died or something.
Yep. I'm trash.
Yo, I think you're okay. You get 6. You get 6 if that's okay. Okay. No. Okay. So
What did you say?
so Purple, it's your turn now. So what's your talent?
I'm not that good because, but it is wall.
Wall hop. Okay. Let's see.
Okay. I'm kind of bad though.
Cool.
Wait. Yeah, not that
I
good,
guess-
but I'm trying.
Hold on.
Yo, let's play tag.
So is that your
Oh.
talent? Okay.
What do you say?
So was that your talent?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's a no versus. Oh, then. Okay. So
What
final.
is this?
Final
It's a
versus.
video.
I'm just gonna go with something different. So no, the guy who left is like third place, and Lime
And the second place?
is Lime. Is it?
So I get third.
No, so you win. Well done.
Did I win?
Yeah.
Wait, so what do you play now?
We just play one.
Let's play tag.
Yeah. Yeah. The guy who left is like third place,